What is good, people? Welcome back to the Crypto Dragon channel. I am your host, Big Dre, and today's video we're going to be talking about NFTs. So now, if you're not familiar with my channel, I'm a footballer, so my channel is all about crypto, the metaverse, and sometimes I integrate a bit of banter from football into the videos that we talk about. So now, if you get like any of those things, you're definitely gonna like my channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification bells on so you know whenever I release new videos, and hit the like button as well. It helps with the algorithm. It'll be much appreciated. So now let's get straight into this video. So this video is going to be about NFTs, and the NFTs are called Trillionaire Thugs. Now, Bandman Kevo was actually a part of this. I don't know if you guys know who he is. Let me just show you. So Bandman Kevo is a millionaire. He's originally from Chicago. He also raps. He does many different things, but he was someone that did credit card scans and end up hitting the workhouse. If you don't know what workhouse is, it basically means he went to prison. He went to jail for the credit card frauds. Anyway, he has an OnlyFans where he teaches people how to use credit in order to make money. Yeah, building your credit in order to make money. And he sells those courses on his OnlyFans, right? He also teaches people how to remove certain things from your credit. Now, obviously, I've never taken the course. I don't know exactly what it entails, but this is just going off of what he says on his YouTube channel. I've known about this guy for, I want to say 4 years, something like that. I came across one of his YouTube videos and listened to what he was saying. And I was like, yeah, my man knows what he's talking about. And since then, I've been following him. But anyway, guys, the most important thing that we all want to know about Trillionaire Thugs. Now, because of the size of Bandman Kevo's audience, I feel like this is going to really do well. I think it's going to be big. And secondly, the NFTs that he's actually releasing, they're decent. They're good. So look, this is the first one. I like this one. This is the one I would actually buy. I actually like this one. Yeah, so look at that. Got a few of them. I'm gonna scroll through so you lot can see. There's the next one. I like this one too. There's the next thing, and always, as you can see, all of them are get me grilled out like Big Dre. Let's see, there's another one, and I'm gonna show you a little flyer they've got. There you go. Right, so if you're familiar with NFTs, you'll know about something called crypto punks. And obviously, there's only a certain amount of crypto punks. So what they've done, sort of taken on that same ideology, that same concept, and then come up with thugs. So trillionaire thugs. They're only going to make 80,000 of them. However, I'm going to show you lot. It is restricted to the amount that you can actually get. So what they're saying here is everyone needs to make sure they're getting in on the mint day for Trillionaire Thugs, the launch, and obviously hold on for dear life. So you say they're gonna run it up, they're gonna run up the floor price, and after what they created, putting in 20 hours a day to make sure to take over Metaverse and NFT. So I'm presuming after this NFT stuff, they're somehow gonna create some sort of Metaverse. I don't know. In my opinion, I think he needs to speak to like maybe Earth 2, something like that. Try and integrate something different into the Metaverse, you know what I'm saying? As you guys can see, his fan base is big. He's got 402k followers. So I think this has some real serious potential, right? So now look, if we click here, okay, I'm gonna show you guys what it says on the website. Okay, it's taking a minute to load on that. Okay, so here, I don't know. So the first flyer said 80,000. Now this says 777. I don't know. Man, I don't know what I go on there still. But anyway, what we need to do, so let's have a look. All right. So as you see, you got 777 unique NFTs, yeah, up for grabs. Now, the release date, hasn't actually been announced. They haven't given us a specific date. However, it's going to be at the end of January because they might say the end of January and then do it the 30th of January, 29th of January, 20, we don't know. But it's at the end of January, so we're hoping it's the last day of January. Anyway, you need to obviously put yourself on the whitelist so that you can actually get it. And it costs zero point 0.3 ETH. And I know because I've already read this. I'm trying to see if I can show you guys. I'm not going to go too in depth on this. I'm going to just do this video. And if you guys want, I'll go through it again and we can talk about it a bit more. So as you guys see, look, he's talking about the project. You guys can pause this. As I said, I'm not going to go through in depth on this first video. It's just to show you what it is. So there it is. With a launch, blah, 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 blah. There you go. Okay, so if you're wondering, how do I know how much an NFT costs? That's because I read it. You feel me? I read it. So let's roll down. How much does it cost? As I said, 0.3 ETH. Plus, obviously, the gas fees. And Ethereum's gas fees are a mad thing. So let's say 0.3 ETH. And I think Ethereum at the moment is about just over 3 grand, 3,300 UK pounds. Yeah, so you're looking at just over a bill, just over £100, and plus the gas fees. But obviously, as well, what they've done is limited it, so you can only get 2 pieces per wallet. So if you want to own more than 2 NFTs, obviously, just create more wallets. And you know what I'm saying? You know what? You don't know what to do. Yeah. Anyway, so personally, I think because of his fan base, this thing is going to be huge. I really think there's something big going to happen with this, at minimum. So if we look at previous projects that have launched NFTs, say they start off usually 0.3 ETH, they easily will double. Like that's a given. So it's going to be at least 6 ETH, zero point 0.6 ETH, sorry. But I think more realistically, we could see it heading towards the 0.9, maybe 1.2, somewhere in that region because of the size of his huge YouTube channel and the fact that he has a lot of people that are willing to invest in his projects or in anything that he suggests. So this is the first video. I'm going to make another video and we'll go a bit more in depth. But I just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention because I want you lot to keep this in mind because everything that I recommend to you has always banged. Yeah, it's always bust.